Hello and welcome to the Culinary Exchange. My name's Matthew, and in this video we're making peanut butter with sugar-coated peanuts. I have 3 cups of candy-coated peanuts, and I'm going to put them in my food processor. And to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla and a half teaspoon of cinnamon. I have some of our peanut butter that we made with the sugar-coated peanuts. Let's give it a taste. It's so peanutty, and it has that roasted sugar taste in it. It's very nice, and there are little bits of the sugar coating still in the peanut butter, that crunch as you eat it. Delicious. And there you have it. That's how you make peanut butter with sugar-coated peanuts. Hey, for more great recipes and cooking tips, come visit us at theculinaryexchange.com. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching.